Most people think math only lives inside textbooks and classrooms, but for me, it's literally everywhere. And the smallest choices I make every day, let me show you how math quietly helps me get through my day. Is math really just about numbers? Every day starts with the same question: what time is it? I wake up, look at the clock, and start doing quick math in my head. Next, I fix up my bed, I fold the blanket, place my pillow right, and put things back where they should be. It's about keeping things neat in place, and that's also math. Then I head to kitchen. If I'm cooking, I need to check if I have enough ingredients. How many eggs are left? How much water do I need? I guess the cooking time and try not to burn anything. Even that involves thinking ahead, planning, estimating, adjusting. After cooking comes eating, of course. But I check the time again. Do I have enough time to eat slowly, or do I need to rush? Sometimes I finish early, sometimes I don't. Then I jump in the shower. How long can I stay in here without being late? I try to move fast, but not too fast. The skip steps, another kind of timing, another decisions. Then I get ready to leave. I check the time once more to make sure I'm not running late. How long will it take me to walk to the jeep stop or drive to school? If it's heavy traffic, I need more time. If the jeep is on time, I can relax. So even transportation is a math problem. Calculating distance, time, and potential delays. And all this happens before the real day begins. No math books, no calculators, but still, I'm using math. So it makes me wonder, is math really just about numbers? Or has it been part of my morning all along? What if math is every choice we make? Can we live a day without a math? As we drive, my mind starts to review everything I need to do today. Even while sitting in the jeep, I'm organizing what I would do first. What I need to focus on is to look over my notes, glance through assignments, and mentally prepare for the day ahead. This is math. Though it doesn't look like the math I learned in the class, I'm calculating priorities, making decisions, and adjusting my plans as I go. Then, when I pay for the ride, I reach into my wallet and start counting the money. I quickly calculate how much I need to pay and how much change I should expect. It's a simple transaction, but it's a perfect example of math in everyday life. Adding, subtracting, and ensuring I don't make mistakes. As the jeep slows down, I get off and begin walking to school. I check the time once more. How long will it take me to get there? Should I walk faster or take a shortcut to save time? I'm deciding the best route to school, all while figuring out how long it will take me to get there. Again, I'm calculating distance, factoring in my walking speeds, and considering whether I have time to grab a quick snack on the way. Do deadlines and schedules count as math problem? Is math the key to organizing ideas in people? After settling into school, I head straight to the computer lab. But first, I need to check my schedule. I have few minutes before the class starts, so I quickly calculate how much time I have left. Do I have enough time to grab a drink? Or should I just head straight to the lab? Again, it's about managing time, figuring out how to fit everything in the small window I have. When I arrive at the lab, I check the clock again. The clock is ticking. There's no time to waste. I pull up my project on the computer and I have coding tasks complete for class. And the deadline is fast approaching. I start breaking down the tasks into smaller pieces. What do I need to work on first? How long will each section take? I estimate my time planning ahead. And this is math. I'm calculating how much spin is everything before the bell rings. Now, it's time to work with my group on a project. We all gather around, share ideas, and start dividing the task. Again, I'm doing math, not with numbers, but with time, resources, and people. We need to decide how to break the project into manageable chunks and make sure we meet our deadline. Are we using map when we decide what to eat? Is there math hidden in every game we play? After a busy morning, it's finally time for lunch. I walk to the canteen with a growling stomach. But even here, I'm still using math. As I line up, I check the prices. I look at the food options and compare. Do I want rice with chicken or spaghetti with a drink? I pull out the money in my pocket and start calculating. I need to make sure I have enough and still save some for later. I even think how filling the food will be, how much energy I will need for the rest of the day. It's all about choices, value, and balance. When I finally pick up my meal and pay, I'm already solving little math problems. After lunch, I take a quick break and play a round of Mobile Legends. It's just a game, right? But math is right there too. From the very first second, I start calculating. How much gold do I need to upgrade? How long until my skill cooldown ends? and what's the best time to attack or retreat. I'm keeping track of numbers, health points, item cost, team scores, respawn time. Even my decisions are based on predictions and timing. I coordinate with teammates, count seconds, and balance risk with reward. It's strategy. It's logic. It's fast-paced, but it's also full of thinking, timing, and numbers. So is math really just about numbers? Now that the day is ending, I start thinking about everything I did. From the moment I woke up, math was already part of me. Deciding how long to shower, what time to leave, and how to catch the jeep on time. I used math to review, pay, walk, and plan. I use it to decide what to eat, how much to spend, and even how to win a game. In the classroom, in the canteen, in group work, and solo thinking, math was always there. Not just numbers on a worksheet, but in the way I manage my time, solve problems, work with people, and make choices. Math is not just about numbers, it's about structure, it's about order, it's about solving, it's about life.